random picnic at the campsite that we weren't able to stay at. So we have a whole bunch of supplies. And now we're gonna go have a campfire and make some burgers. Okay, bye.
So we're gonna get the steakhouse choice tri-tip beef patties with garlic peppercorn rub.
We have no condiments. Somehow we're supposed
Don't need condiments.
Somehow we're supposed to have a whole burger. Yeah, we don't need condiments really. Okay, we're trying to figure out our list. So far we have burgers. We got the wood.
We've just found this cardboard stuff.
It's good. We're gonna use it to light it up. We have matches and
we're gonna use hand sanitizer for lighter fluid.
yeah. Now we need buns. We need like something to flip the burger.
We need some onions and tomato and lettuce.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, because then we'll have to buy
a knife.
Okay, no, we're making it simple.
Okay, so let's go back this way. That one's $5. Jeez.
All this stuff's gonna be really kind of pricey for one-time use. So let's just get the meat and the wood first.
And the buns. We need buns and chips. Yeah, we're kind of frazzled. This was a last-minute idea. We were gonna eat at a restaurant, but since somebody wanted to accuse me of taking their camping site that I paid for, we're gonna have a barbecue.
I made up a whole story.
Yeah, they made up a full story.
Chips.
Yeah, chips. This is the lane.
Let's get some chips.
Okay, cheapest ones, please. Oh man, there ain't no budget when you're last second doing stuff.
You want Ruffles?
God. All right, we're almost done. A little thing of.
I don't like when they do that. You gotta buy two to
I
get
know.
one free. Just make it simple.
These look good. I can get one on my one.
So we need to find something to flip the burgers with. Thinking on like maybe like a flat rock, quartz rock.
Yeah, we didn't stop and get the spatula, man. So this is our little spread. Nothing fancy, you know, but it's good for us. Here's our spot. So we're gonna find something to do like be like a spatula and start the fire and get ready and do that. So here we go.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give,
Dude, we are so like we get it.
And then two.
Doesn't smell like wood. Who smells wood?
This.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, I like the way I had it.
I don't know what I'm doing, but let's just do it. All right, let's start with this and see.
Don't get jealous.
I got black already on me. Dude, the burgers are gonna be into the pit. Here, can we put this back some?
Oh yeah.
All right, hold on.
All right.
We're literally winging it, you guys. I promise we know how to camp.
Yeah.
All right, hold that.
This is showing you what you can do without utensils.
This is showing you what to do last second, even though you've had your spot for
nice.
days. Okay. Get your hand sanitizer. Cardboard and matches.
Cool.
We woke up early this morning, basically to decide to come to our campground.
Right there.
It went out. Come on.
Cool, maybe it's not.
Thought it was alcohol.
To take it out. It is.
Come on. That's why I hate matches, man. I'm gonna blow through all of these. Lights, it says lights quickly and easily.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
It's, smothering. Oh, I smell perfume.
What is happening?
Here. Oh.
It will not catch this on fire.
Here, keep on. Okay.
There it goes. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. This is gonna be the whole video.
Oh, look. It's
trying
not
to
even...
start a fire.
Yeah, Bestie does it. She got it.
Inhaling smoke.
I
It's
know.
gonna be midnight before we cook these burgers. Guys, trust me.
We're fire pros, okay? This is just how it starts off. For dinner when you get home.
All I know is that the firewood ain't catching.
I know.
So let's finagle this a little. And this cardboard, I have never seen this hard of cardboard
I know.
that like won't burn.
You gotta be kidding me.
I know the whole half is not burning. So we got cardboard there.
What is it? Oh,
Half of it's not burning.
don't ever get these.
From Safeway. Okay, we got it going a little.
Yep. Found some tumbleweed
20,
grass.
30 minutes later. With just hand sanitizer and matches and cardboard.
Was she a bad one?
I don't know.
Don't buy it.
Yeah, two things buy one get one free.
Hot wood.
Yeah, do not buy this brand. Cool. All right, we're getting ready to put these on. What's cool is that these are already pre-seasoned, so we don't even have to worry about that.
Look at that piece of meat.
Hell yeah.
I actually think this is gonna work, dude.
Yeah.
Oh man. You okay?
Don't fall through, don't fall through. I was trying to not get it right on there,
Yeah.
but oh well. There, we don't want it directly on the flame or it's just gonna burn.
Oh yeah.
These are gonna be done quick, dude.
Yeah, you're right. Well, it took an hour for the fire to work.
Bestie's cutting up the buns. Stick's working pretty good. A little janky at first, but woo.
Oh wow, man.
They look good, huh?
Dude, yeah.
Getting smoked out.
Man.
Adding some cheese now, and then they're pretty much done. They cooked quick. They were lean meat. That's why they're pretty much
They're
done.
pretty lean, dude.
We are at the White Spur Campground, in case anybody wants to know. Not a bad site. For 3 nights, it was $38, but like I said, we never ended up camping here, but that's fine. We just came for the day. Next time, next trip, you'll see us camp out. All right, man. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have like condiments or nothing, but who cares? This literally was made by just a stick, some wood, cardboard. Like, that's literally how we cook this right now.
Yep.
Hopefully it's not too dry.
There it is. Simple. Okay, want to bite it. Perfect. It tastes so good.
Dude. All right.
Get some.
Let me get on this. These are onion buns too. The freshly made onion buns. Okay, here I go. You know what it tastes like?
What?
Like a mini steak.
Yeah,
Like
it does,
mini
huh?
tri-tip
Oh, it's
steak on there.
tri-tip, yeah. Get some.
Full cat in a campground. Where'd it go? There it is. Full-blown cat, dude. I don't know if it's someone's cat or a wild cat, but that's crazy to me.
Is that your cat?
All right, we made it to Goldwater Lake Park. Heading in.